In this video, I'm going to reveal how you can post very simple videos just like this in about 10 minutes a day to start to generate some serious income, as you can see on the screen right here. Now, the cool thing about these videos is you're not going to have to create the videos yourself. It's totally copy and paste using a little known free tool that I'll reveal later in the video, and it's totally worldwide. Now, you can see some people doing this method right here in many different niches. This works in whatever niche you want. You can see right here in the paleo niche, this person was able to generate 10 million plus monthly views. Just imagine a fraction of that, seeing your affiliate link on a monthly basis, clicking it, and sending you money. You can see someone right here in the health, wellness, and fitness niche. They're generating 436,000 monthly views on average, and they can promote, their link right here in their bio or their link in another way that's going to be totally passive, as you'll see as you keep watching. You can see right here in the golf niche, okay, this person is generating and posting different posts right here, and they're able to get 251,000 monthly views. And like I said, even if you just get a couple thousand monthly views, going to the affiliate link that I'll share how to do a little bit later, you're gonna be able to generate income promoting affiliate products. Now, if you're excited to learn this, be sure to click the like button right now. That tells me you want me to make more videos like this one. And without further ado, let me go ahead and start breaking down this strategy. So the very first step is we need to have an affiliate product to promote. There's a lot of places you can go to find products. One of them is Digistore24. I'm actually gonna include a link directly below to my #1 affiliate program. It pays you instant 100% commission, so you can use this strategy and promote that just like I'm doing and start to generate some serious income. Okay, so the very first step after you find an affiliate product to promote is you want to create a Pinterest profile. Okay, if you don't already have a Pinterest profile, we're going to be doing this method on Pinterest. It's incredibly powerful, totally free, and once you create an account, you want to ideally switch over in your settings to a business account. Okay, you can see right here, business. The reason is it shows you way more statistics, what type of posts are working. So you can go ahead and duplicate that and scale this as you continue with this method, okay? Now, it's also good to put a good cover photo. I'm in the Make Money Online niche for this profile. You can see I put a cover photo, a profile photo right here, and then I put a title here, okay? So you just wanna make it relevant. You can see how these are very relevant to this niche. This one right here, health and fitness, it's showing a woman working out, and then it has a bio that's related to that, okay? So we just wanna make it relevant, so when people go here, they're gonna be able to decide to follow if they're interested in that topic. Now, what we wanna realize is they have all these videos on Pinterest. A lot of people don't know that you can actually post videos on Pinterest and get quite a bit of views. You can see this one right here, 6,600 views. Now, once your video is posted and you start to rank it for certain search terms, as I'll share a little bit later, you're gonna be able to generate passive traffic for months, if not years to come. Now, you may think, Garrett, I don't wanna create these videos myself. I don't wanna put my face out there, and I don't know how to create these videos. Well, what I wanna do is I wanna share with you an incredibly simple strategy anyone can do to start to generate these videos with the click of a button. Well, we can go to a site like TikTok, okay? Chances are you may have TikTok downloaded on your phone. What a lot of people don't realize is we can actually use TikTok on Pinterest, as you'll see, okay? So we wanna go to the very top, and you wanna type in a few words that have to do with your niche, followed by quotes. So if you created a niche on Pinterest in the golf niche, you could do golf quotes or health and fitness quotes, success quotes. Now, once you do that, you wanna search, and we wanna filter by top. This is gonna show the top most popular quote videos in that niche, okay? You can see this one right here. Now, once we find one, we could even go to the profile and see if they're posting a lot of these, which chances are they are, okay? So we can see, yes, okay, it's just a photo or video with some text, okay? Very simple videos. And you can see they're getting some decent views. Now, we can even look for which of these are getting the most popular results, okay? So this one gets 12,000 views. This one has 20,000 views. So I would open up the one that I see with the most views. Okay, this is 154,000. I would open this up, and what I wanna do is I wanna go to the very top, okay? And I wanna copy the URL of that video, okay? Now you can do this on your phone as well, but I wanna copy the URL to this popular video in the niche that my Pinterest profile is in. And what you can do is go to a little known free tool that most people don't even know about. It's called snaptick.app/en. There's gonna be a link in the description that will take you here. When you go here, what this does is this allows you to remove the watermark from the video from TikTok, and it allows it to download to your phone or your computer. So you want to paste in the link to that TikTok. We want to click download. Now this is going to take a few seconds. What it's doing is removing the watermark, and then I can just click download and download this, okay, wherever, you know, if I'm on a phone or a computer. So now that video is downloaded. The video that we just found on TikTok that has a lot of views is now downloaded without the watermark on my computer. Okay, now once that's downloaded, we want to go back to Pinterest, okay, right here. We want to click create. We want to click create pin. Now, what we want to do is click right here and want to upload the video from TikTok we just downloaded onto Pinterest. So let me go ahead and do that now. Okay, you can see it uploading right there very, very fast because these videos are very short. Now for add your title, we want to go back to Pinterest, another tab, and we want to click this magnifying glass. And we want to type a few words that have to do with the niche our Pinterest profile is in. So for me, it's health and fitness. Okay, so as that loads, okay, right there, we want to type that in and hit space. And we want to see these drop down suggestions. These are popular keywords people are searching in. And the reason we know they're popular is because Pinterest is suggesting that. That means that other people are searching. So we can just choose one of these, okay? So I could do health and fitness motivation, and I can copy that and now go back to our pin. We want to make that the title. The reason is this keyword will allow this video to rank. So when someone searches this popular keyword, they're going to see our popular video, and this can start to get a lot of views. Now, when it says right here, tell everyone what your pin is about, right here, we can type in something like, you know, I hope you enjoy this video for my best way to lose weight or make money online or meet my ideal lover, whatever your niche is. My best way to lose weight. Click the image to find out. And the image in this case is the video, okay? So then all we have to do is under add a destination link, you can either put your affiliate link, okay? But what we can also do is we can go to a website and we can go ahead and create a site that looks something like this, okay? Now this is a very professional website, and what is cool about this is you can actually put multiple buttons leading off to different offers, different social media platforms you want to promote all in one page. So to do this, all you have to do is go to a site called 𝐏𝐶𝐞𝐫.ai, and you can go ahead and sign up. It's totally free to sign up. And once you're inside your account, you can see what my page looks like. But what you would do is go to the links section, and you can just literally add a link. Okay, you can see, and I can type in a title. So, you know, best way to lose weight. And then I can go ahead and, you know, add in my website right here. Let's say google.com. Let's say that's my affiliate link. Okay, and you can see it right here, best way to lose weight. So if someone goes to there, they're going to go to that affiliate offer. And then all you have to do is take your link, okay, right here, go back to the Pinterest pin, and then put that as the destination link. And then we just go up here to publish. Now, once that's published, this video will start showing up under this keyword, and then people will click and they'll get taken to your beacons page, and they'll see all these different buttons that will lead to your affiliate offers. Well, there we have it, my friend. Very, very simple, straight to the point method, totally free, worldwide. Again, I'm going to leave the link directly below to my #1 affiliate program to promote. That pays you instant 100% commissions when you decide to join that. And I hope you got value. Until next time, my friend, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. And I look forward to seeing you on my next training.